Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Barron token. But before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on buy this token, as you can see, check Derek's account. So as you can see, to be able to buy this token, copy the contract address from here. This contract address is under the Solana network. So if you see this username, you will be able to see that the Baron of Solana. So it's under this Solana network. Now go and open the Radium for that. So after you open the Radium website, I will just go to swap here. Now, first of all, what you need to do, just connect your wallet for that. I will just connect my wallet. Now, after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, click here and select the Solana as a network, paste the token address here. Now, as you can see, click on this plus icon and click on the token. As you can see, the token will be appear here. Now, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you select the USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here, just type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see how much you receive of the token. Now click on this more if you want to expand and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Radium. So this is how to buy the Baron token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.